Hello, Dr. Mini PG, Specialist Gynecologist, Al Rukan Medical Center, Ajmal. Today we can discuss about Pap smear test. Pap smear test is a screening test for cervical cancer. With the spatula or cyto brush, cells from the cervix is taken and examined under microscope. So, early cancer lesions, precancerous changes in the cells can be detected by this test. If precancerous lesions are seen, further evaluation is needed with colposcopy and biopsy test is needed, and accordingly we can treat it. The cancer, cervical cancer, precancerous lesions appear 20 years before the original cancer. So, if we detect it earlier, complete cure is possible. That's why the importance of Pap smear test. Every 3 years, Pap smear should be repeated. Then, after 21 years, every 3 years, everyone should do the Pap smear till 65 years. So, with this simple test, we can screen whether we are having high risk for cervical cancer, or if you are having a precancerous lesions that can be treated, and we can get a cure with this cervical cancer.